You won't believe how good these keto recipes are.
Are you tired of missing out on waffles just because you're on a keto diet? Well, I've got you covered. Today, we're whipping up something that's been going viral in the keto world, the keto chaffle. It's cheesy, it's crispy, and the best part, it's only got about 2 grams of carbs. Let's dive in. All right, here's what you'll need. 1 large egg, half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. You can use cheddar for a different twist. And for a little extra texture, 1 tablespoon of almond flour. Totally optional, but highly recommended. If you like your chaffles extra fluffy, throw in half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now, step 1. Crack that egg into a bowl and whisk it up until it's nice and smooth. Next, we're adding in our shredded cheese. The cheese is going to be key here for that crispy waffle texture, so don't be shy. If you're using the almond flour and baking powder, toss those in now and stir everything together. This is going to form your batter. Preheat your waffle maker on medium-high. Make sure to give it a light grease. A little oil or butter will do the trick. We don't want any sticking. Now, pour about half of your batter into the waffle maker and close the lid. Let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it's golden brown and crispy. Repeat with the rest of your batter. And there you have it. Your chaffles are ready. Just look at that crispy goodness. You can use these chaffles for just about anything. As a sandwich, a burger bun, or even for a keto-friendly breakfast topped with some sugar-free syrup. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never miss regular waffles again. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more keto-friendly recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Hey everyone! If you're missing bread on your low-carb or keto journey, today's recipe is going to blow your mind. We're making low-carb cauliflower bread. It's light, savory, and perfect for sandwiches, burgers, or even just on its own. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this simple and delicious cauliflower bread. 1 medium head of cauliflower, 2 large eggs, half a cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees or 190 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now, we're going to break down the cauliflower. If you have a food processor, pulse the cauliflower until it's grated, or you can just use a box grater if you don't have one. You're aiming for a rice-like texture. Next, you'll want to cook the cauliflower. You can either microwave it for about 4 minutes or steam it on the stove until it's tender. Once it's cooked, let it cool for a few minutes. Then place it in a clean kitchen towel or cheesecloth and squeeze out as much moisture as you can. The drier, the better. This is key to getting a bread-like texture. Once the cauliflower is dry, place it in a mixing bowl and add your eggs, shredded mozzarella, almond flour, baking powder, garlic powder, and salt and pepper. Mix everything together until it forms a dough-like consistency. Scoop the cauliflower mixture onto your lined baking sheet and shape it into a loaf or individual rolls, depending on how you want to use it. You can also use a loaf pan if you want a more traditional bread shape. Pop it into the oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown and firm to the touch. Your kitchen will smell amazing at this point. Let it cool for a few minutes, and there you have it. Perfect low-carb cauliflower bread that's ready for sandwiches, burgers, or whatever you're craving. Subscribe for more great recipes. Your family will absolutely love these 2 incredible keto-friendly desserts. These are so delicious you won't even believe they are low-carb.
Keto Avocado Brownies. Hey everyone! If you thought going keto meant giving up your favorite treats, think again. Today, I'm going to show you how to make keto avocado brownies, rich, fudgy, and packed with healthy fats. You won't believe these are keto-friendly. Let's get baking. Here's what you'll need for this amazing recipe. 1 ripe avocado. Don't worry, you won't taste it, but it gives the brownies an incredible creamy texture. 2 large eggs, 1 honor 2 cup almond flour, 1 R4 cup cocoa powder, unsweetened, 1 R2 cup keto-friendly sweetener like erythritol or monk fruit, 1 cup coconut oil, melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1.2 teaspoon baking powder, and finally, a pinch of salt to bring out all the flavors. All right, first things first, we're going to mash up that avocado. You want it nice and smooth so that it mixes into the batter without any chunks. Next, crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them together. Then, add in your mashed avocado, melted coconut oil, and vanilla extract. Stir everything together until it's nice and creamy. In a separate bowl, combine your almond flour, cocoa powder, sweetener, baking powder, and salt. Give that a good stir. Now it's time to bring it all together. Pour your dry ingredients into the wet mixture and stir until everything is well combined. You should end up with a thick, chocolatey batter. Grab a baking dish, I'm using an 8x8 pan, and line it with parchment paper. Pour in your brownie batter and spread it evenly. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 20-25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. The smell of chocolate filling your kitchen? You know it's going to be good. Let them cool for a few minutes, then slice them up. Look at that texture, rich, fudgy, and completely keto. These brownies are perfect for when you need a sweet treat, but want to stay on track with your keto goals. And the best part? They're loaded with healthy fats thanks to that sneaky avocado.
Hey, Keto crew. If you've been looking for the perfect little snack to satisfy your sweet tooth while staying in ketosis, look no further. Today, I'm showing you how to make keto cheesecake fat bombs. They're creamy, rich, and only take a few minutes to make. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need to whip up these delicious fat bombs. 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of softened butter, a 1/4 cup of keto-friendly sweetener like allulose, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and if you want, a pinch of lemon zest for a little extra flavor kick. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, we're going to combine the softened cream cheese and butter. Make sure both are at room temperature so they mix together smoothly. Use a hand mixer or a whisk to blend them until you've got a nice creamy texture. Next, we'll add in the sweetener and vanilla extract. If you're using the lemon zest, throw that in now too. Keep mixing until everything is well combined and super smooth. Once your mixture is ready, grab a spoon or a small cookie scoop and form bite-sized balls with the batter. You can make them as big or small as you like, but I like to keep them about the size of a tablespoon. Place the fat bombs on a parchment-lined tray and pop them in the freezer for about 30 minutes to firm up. And that's it. Once they're set, they're ready to enjoy. You can store them in an airtight container in the fridge or freezer and just grab one whenever you need a quick, satisfying snack. These keto cheesecake fat bombs are the perfect treat when you're craving something sweet but want to stay in fat-burning mode. Plus, they're loaded with healthy fats to keep you fueled throughout the day. If you love this recipe, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more delicious keto recipes. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.